Hello everyone, and today I am going to be showing you how to do a waterfall braid. A waterfall braid is technically where it will be a braid and it will just go across here. So the materials you're going to need is bobby pins. You need to know how to braid, and that's pretty much it. Maybe hairspray. Let me go get those items. Alright guys, make sure you have all your materials. After your mannequin, the human's hair is all brushed out, you are going to want to take the sides, and then I like to grab maybe like a clip. So I am going to grab a claw clip to put the hair that I am not using up into a clip. Oh my god. To put the hair up in a clip, you're just going to need a twist, put it up, and then clamp it in. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be out of the way. Alright, and then when you have your hair that you need, you're going to split it like you're just going to regularly braid. And then you're just going to do a small regular braid. But do not put the hair up. You want to try to keep it in your hands so the hair stays in a braid. And if you're not sure how to braid, I do have another video that shows you how to braid hair. If you need to, you can go look at that clip. So you'll just be braiding down the sides. This works on even hair, not even, why is it even? Thin hair, thick hair, really thick hair, really thin hair. If your child, the person that you're doing your hair on, whoever, has thinner hair, you're going to want to have a bigger chunk. Because you want enough hair for you to be able to braid. But if the child's hair is too thin, it could slip. You never know. And then when you are done braiding, so it will go all the way down until it can't anymore. So if you do have any extra, I will probably have extra. It's okay, I'll show you what to do if you have any extra. If you don't, you can just skip that part, but that part will be at the end. Alright, if you are done braiding, I'll show you what's next. So you're going to want to flip the girl's hair, take the clip out, and then you're going to want to bring it just like a crown. And that's when the bobby pins will come in. Make sure you have your bobby pins. Now, make sure the bobby pins are not too visible. So now I can put it because that bobby pin's in. And then for this, I just like to stick it back down. But if you don't want to do that, You can barely see that it's up. In the camera you can, but in real life you barely can. So you can spray that down. I cannot spray my doll's hair down because this is a mannequin. And then I would just put the bobby pins in so it stays. And also, if you can, and if it's kind of droopy, you can put the bobby pin in so it can stick up more. You can do all these things. And that is how you do a waterfall braid. Subscribe for more how to do hair videos.